Today, we'll discuss a simple method to speed up your website, which can positively impact your SEO and Google AdSense performance. Website loading speed is crucial for user experience and search engine rankings. Slow websites often lead to higher bounce rates and lower search engine rankings. To address this, we can use code Minification. Website loading speed is crucial for user experience and search engine rankings. Slow websites often lead to higher bounce rates and lower search engine rankings. To address this, we can use code Minification. Minification is the process of reducing the size of your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code without changing its functionality. This results in faster loading times for your website. Google loves speedy websites. When your site loads faster, Google ranks it higher. It's going to help with your SEO and Google AdSense too. Alright, let's jump into action and I'll show you how to use this magical tool. Ready to speed up your website? Let's go! First things first, grab that code you want to minify. Copy it, we'll need it in a bit. Now open up your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type scpapp. Look for SCP apps in the search results and give it a click. On the site, you'll see a Get Started button. Click it like you mean it. You're now in the tool section. In the search bar there, type Minifier and Maxifier and click on the tool that pops up. You found the tool. Now paste that code you copied earlier. Below each text area, you'll see tree buttons, Minify and Maxify. Click the Minify button for the type of code you've entered. In seconds, scpapp.pro will process your code and display the minified version in the output area. Pro tip: if you need to edit the minified code later, no worries. Just use the Maxifier to expand it, make your changes, then minify again. What makes scpapp.pro stand out is its simplicity and efficiency. There's no need to sign up or pay for an account. The tool is completely free and works instantly. Plus, you can use it as many times as you need without any limitations. For those concerned about privacy, scpapp.pro processes your code right in your browser. Your code isn't sent to their servers, ensuring your data remains secure. You can now copy this minified code and use it in your website. This process can significantly reduce your code size, leading to faster load times. Faster websites generally rank better in search engine results. This improved SEO can lead to more organic traffic to your site. For those using Google AdSense, a faster website can potentially increase ad revenue. Faster load times often result in better user engagement, which can lead to more ad impressions and clicks. If this video helped you out, don't be shy. Hit that like button and leave a comment. Tell me what other tutorials you'd like to see. I'm all ears. Oh, and before you go, smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon. You don't want to miss out on more awesome tips like this.